Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle, and today's video is going to be on the Bargain Bead Box. It is a monthly subscription for beaders, so if you love to bead, you should definitely be getting this monthly subscription. It's a great value for the money, only $17.95 a month, and that includes shipping. You can't beat it. So the items are quality items, otherwise I wouldn't be getting it. It's just too good of a value to pass up. So I would definitely look into subscribing to this. You know, it's not a sponsored video. I don't get paid anything for talking about it. It's just something I really like. So this is the January Bargain Bead Box. The theme, a different theme every month. This is the romance theme. Okay, and it comes in this pretty red burgundy organza bag. And also, subscribers get a coupon for 30% off of their sister store, which is Bead Box Bargains. And if you become a subscriber, they'll give you that coupon code to use. And what else? You can also show them what you make in your monthly shipment. You'll be entered to win a $50 gift certificate for their sister store, the Bead Box Bargains. So a lot of fun stuff in this one little package, and you can create whatever you want to create with it. So let's get an idea of what's in this bag. As I said, it's the romance theme, so it's passionate red hues form the basis of our color palette this month, with accents of purple and pink. Highlights include genuine garnet, crackle agate, quartz, and purple aventurine. While eco-friendly man-made coral and coral red shell pearls create a romantic look without damaging reefs. Sparkling crystals and swirling antique copper findings complete the collection. Okay, and let's see how many items we get in this one. We get 21 items in this. Total retail for this shipment is $73. And let's get started. I'm not going to organize them, you know, 1 through 21, because I just don't have that kind of time anymore. So let's see. I'm going to take them out. I'm going to push them aside. And I'm just going to pick up whatever one I get first. How about that? So let's see. I'll start with something maybe not too exciting. Let's see. This is number 2. I just put some lotion on my hands. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. Number 2. So number 2 is 1 meter 3 mil steel roller jewelry chain. This is pretty. Let me get a little bit more so you can see the detail in the chain. Pretty antique vintage color. Get a little bit more. Here we go. Let's see, number 3. Number 3 is a 4-piece 22 by 19 mil Chandelier Links. And these are really pretty also. Get that off of there. Pretty. What is next? Oh, number 1. 1 is a 64 by 40 mil Chandelier Focal component. Wow, this is a big one. Look at that. This looks very antique-y. Look at that. Very nice. Looks very expensive. Very nice. Let's see what we have next. Number 5, 7-piece 13 mil 4-loop links. These are pretty. And they are the same on both each side. go. Same on each side. Very nice. And again, keeping with that vintage, antique-y looking romance going on there. They're pretty. And we have number 6. They are a toggle clasp, and these are cute also. You got that carved design in there. Okay. And we have number 4, 42 by 39 Medallion Pendant. And there we go. Whoops. Look how nice that is. Very nice, very antique looking, vintage, and expensive looking. Very pretty. And it also does have some nice weight to it also. Number 7, 10-piece 9mm Medallion Drops. There we go. Let's get these up here. These are nice. It's got some weight on these also. And this is 9. This is a 7-inch strand 4mm shell pearl man-made round beads in coral red. Wow. This is your romance red right here. Look how pretty that is. Whoops. There we go. Number 18. 18 is a 10-piece approximately 10. Yeah, 10-piece approximately, I can't read. 10mm enameled coated glass beads in pink cream. There we go. These are pretty. You see the pink in there. Very nicely cut. Very nice. Got a little bit of weight to them. This is definitely going to add like a nice little pop of color. And number 8. Number 8 is a 50-piece 4mm corrugated Bicones spacer beads. There you go. These are very nice and heavy. Alright, number 12. 12 is a 16-inch strand 6x4mm crystal Rondell beads in scarlets. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Very pretty. There's your faceted bead. And that is a pop of color right there. See what else we got. Number 13. Get ready for another pop of color. So 13 is 4-piece 16 by 5 by 9mm floral man-made coral barrel beads. There you go. Look at that detail on there. Nicely detailed. Got a nice hole right there. It's really pretty. And we have number 14. 14 is a 20-piece 8mm 4-petal bead cap. There we go. Let's get those up there. Those are pretty. It's a nice size hole in there. Very vintage looking. Very romantic looking. 16, 25 by 15 mil faceted quartz teardrop pendant dyed raspberry. Ta-da! Oh, there we go. So it has our pre-drilled hole right there. You can see the facets in there. It's the same on both sides. Number 15. 15 is a 20-piece 8x4 mil crystal faceted rectangle beads. Vintage Rose AB. I always love the AB, the Aurora Borealis coating they put on beads. Isn't that pretty? It's going to be pretty. Okay, number 17. 7-inch strand, 8 mil crackle agate dyed heated round beads in cherry red. Ta-da! These are pretty. Very pretty. Some are a little darker, some are lighter. Okay, number 11. 11 is a 40-piece 4 mil faceted cubic cylinder crystal beads Alexandrite shimmer. There we go. These are pretty. Very pretty. These are going to add a nice pop of color to it also. Okay, number 10. Number 10 is approximately 17-inch strand of 3x2 mil crystal Rondell beads in Flirty mix. Look at that. That's pretty. So it's going to coordinate nicely with that. Look at that. Very pretty together. I love this combination. Look at these. Pretty, pretty. Love the different tones in here. The peachy, the cream, the light peach, and then the whiter color. Really pretty. Okay, number 19. Come on. Number 19. Number 19 is a 7-inch strand of 3x2 mil garnet finely faceted Rondell gemstone beads. Ta-da! Look at that. It's a nice mix of color. This will go well with these. Very pretty. Okay, 20. 20 is 26 by 30 mil carved rose man-made coral pendant. Here we go. Ta-da! Look at that. Ooh. Look at that pretty flower. That is a rose. And you see it's got a pre-drilled hole right there. You can see that. It's nice and shiny. Look at that. It's from the side. There's your back. There's our pre-drilled hole. Look at that. Very pretty. This will go good with this. And the last one. 21. 21 is a 7-inch strand of 8 mil purple averturing round beads. Here we go. Ooh. Look how pretty these are. Very nice. And these are, yeah, 8 mil. So look at that. This is everything. Got all these pretty colors right here. My camera's going out of focus. It doesn't know what to focus on. Let me help it out a little bit. Let's see. Look at that. All these pretty colors. Look at that. So this is it. This is our bargain bead box, our romance bargain bead box right here. So if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. It would help me out a great deal. And check out my other videos on there. If you want to learn how to make a Russian spiral bracelets, that is my thing now. I just can't stop making them. This right here. I have a tutorial on my YouTube channel if you would like to learn how to make this. It's called the Rainbow Russian Spiral. It is on there. Just absolutely gorgeous. So that's it. That's it for this video. And I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great week, everybody. And I will be back with more fun videos. Gorgeous. Okay, bye-bye.